Hello, welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm in the Nissan. I've been neglecting this car quite a bit actually over the last 6 or 7 months or so. I've got to do a little bit of work on it to get the MOT done, just a little exhaust leak and refreshing a few parts here and there. But I've just sat inside it and there's loads of cobwebs and a nice big spider up here. So he's going to be evicted very, very shortly. But the car is actually full of cobwebs, so I'm sure this one spider isn't the culprit. There's probably more in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the car a good vac out, a really good clean, get rid of all these horrible cobwebs and stop it looking like a shed and more like a nice classic car. So I'll give you a quick look around the actual interior of the car. Some people may be new to the channel. This is my 1988 Nissan Sunny Pulsar with a 1.8 CA18 conversion. I've got these ZX front seats in here and this is ZX steering wheel. As you can see, it's pretty clean. It's just dusty and grubby and full of spiders. And in the back, I'm sorry about the poor light, but I've still got that to sort in here yet, lighting. That's going to be done in the next couple of months or so. Yeah, these are the original back seats from the Sunny, which I really like, this grey. If I got these in the same grey, that would have been absolutely ideal, but I'm not complaining. I like that look of these seats. I think they're lovely seats, really comfy, and it gives me a bit of a memory of my old Sunny ZX, which gave up its life as a donor for this little car. It's just full of cobwebs. I'm sure there's going to be more than one spider in here. A bit of dust down there. So I think I'm going to put all the seats forward and do the back first, I think. Give it a good clean, maybe a bit of a shampoo on some of the seats. Move the old fire extinguisher. And just make it look tidier and nicer. The great thing about these ZX seats, they're actually from a hatch. So they move all the way forward, so it gives you loads of leg room in the back. Got the nice quilted mats. I think of changing these mats, going for more of the red and black checkered mat. I've seen some online, more of a traditional sort of JDM sort of look, so I might even get those. But I could always chop and change and swap and change them. I've got the original Sunny mats underneath. Right, so first things first, I'm going to get Henry plugged in and give it a really good vac.
Fifty thousand watts of funkin' hip-hop power.
Feel the beat.
I have noticed after nearly 40 years, that's starting to wear through. So I wonder if you could probably still get these, or probably any other Nissan would fit. Probably N14 may even fit. I've had luck with N14 parts before, so that should just pop off. So I might just get another one. So that's something I'll be looking at. I know it's not detrimental to how the car drives, etc., but I want it to look nice, and that's right through to the metal there. So,
do you feel, boy, what I feel, boy? Do you know, boy, what I mean, boy? Rock it like that. Rock
I know you gonna know who you want now.
Run it. Rock on. Run it. Boy, what I feel, boy. Do you know, boy, what I mean, boy? Rock it like that.
so while I'm doing the inside of the car, I thought I'd just do the windows as well, and I'm really impressed with this stuff. Their ceramic coatings are supposed to be amazing, so I may even get some ceramic coating stuff at some point and do the car with that. Another job on the list is refreshing the engine bay a little bit, tidying it up, a little bit of cleaning. There's a little bit of rust chipped off here on the tower, around here, so I may take the strut brace off, sand all this back and repaint it. It's actually bubbling up a little bit there, so I may sand that back and do a little bit of investigating, see what's happening underneath there. So I may just do a little bit of a refresh as well, just to tidy it up a little bit more. And the exhaust manifold, of course, is still leaking at the V band, so I've got that to sort as well.
Rock it like that.
Right, so I think that's it. Only evicted 3 spiders, so it wasn't too bad. It's a lot nicer in here, smells a lot fresher as well. I just don't like neglecting the car and letting it get dirty. I know I don't drive it as much as I should, but I still like looking after it. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'm going to have a nap, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, it's so nice in here.